Hey there, I'm really excited to share with you something pretty neat about customizing Windows Server IaaS virtual machine images on Microsoft Azure. It's like when you are baking, and you've got an amazing cookie recipe that you want to share with everyone. Imagine you are in the kitchen, but instead of cookies, you are dealing with these powerful virtual machines, and I'm here to guide you through creating your golden batch that's the fully customized version of your VM image ready for use. Imagine we are in the IT department, but today, it's all about setting up the ideal environment for Windows servers right in the comfort of Azure, the Cloud Kingdom. We are gonna take that sense of empowerment and make sure your servers are ready to roll out, fully prepped and tailored just to your specifications. It's not just about efficiency, it's about precision where it matters most, and I'm right here to navigate through the process. We start by understanding why customization matters. We are not just creating machines, we are crafting experiences. It's all about control. Having that finger on the pulse of what your infrastructure looks like ensures scalability and security, while at the same time giving us the tools to manage these workhorse systems with confidence. Let's move forward with the creation of a golden image. We'll be deploying a Windows Server setup that's meticulously curated. It's all about having a setup that's consistently reliable, a template if you will, and we're about to get our hands on that, ensuring that every time we spin up that VM, it's going to behave just as we expect. Now, customizing these images isn't all about the hardware or software that ends up on them. It's also about making strategic decisions about which role services to deploy, what networking settings are necessary, and how we maintain security and compliance. We are tuning the virtual engines to ensure they run smoothly within Azure's ecosystem. When it comes to troubleshooting, we are like technicians in our element. There we go, a bit of a snag, right? We troubleshoot methods that are like diagnosing a classic car, carefully inspecting the engine, checking the fuel lines, and if needed, fine-tuning the spark plugs. It's our job to keep things running smoothly because in the world of IT, downtimes are costly, and our goal is a seamless experience. And let's not ignore best practices. We are sailing with the best, navigating with best practices as our North Star. These guidelines are our best friends, ensuring optimal performance without over-provisioning, and they're like having a GPS for our cloud journey. As we close this chat, it's time to bring it back down to basics, practicality. We want to master this not just for ourselves, but to empower our teammates as well. Teaching them how to handle these golden VMs with confidence empowers us all to focus on the bigger picture, pushing technological boundaries without getting bogged down in operational minutiae. Customizing these VMs is like playing with the building blocks of our cloud-based empire, and that's an empire without bounds. It's about crafting environments that fuel our innovation, streamline our everyday tasks, and give us that edge. It's a delicate dance between creativity and control. And I believe you've got what it takes to join me in mastering these moves on Azure. Okay, if you want to get hands-on with some of this or just chat about the next big leap in Azure infrastructure, you can drop me a line or follow along with my adventures. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab to stay in the loop with me as I unravel the vast potentials of Microsoft Azure, one custom VM at a time. Stay tuned, because in this realm, the sky's the limit, truly, truly.